Hi there, Arthur here with super simple tutorial of the ArthurAI platform. Today we'll be going through the student dashboard. Easy peasy. The student dashboard is a central hub for all student pages so that students can access their courses and all relevant information they need to continue their academic journey on the ArthurAI platform. So here we are on the student dashboard, which is the central hub. I have quick access to relevant things such as resuming my learning, viewing my student profile, and asking ArthurAI any simple or advanced questions. I can view my recent achievements, which are certificates granted to me upon completion of a course. And finally, view learning analytics for all courses that the student is enrolled in. Moving on to the courses page, this is where a student is able to access all their courses. They can simply click Continue Learning, and this is the hub for their course. They can see the name of the course, how many weeks the course has, how many days per week, and how many lessons per day. So here we have week 1, day 1, lesson 1. I can see there's a brief overview of the lesson as well as the learning objectives. I can click Start Lesson, and I'm greeted with the course content. I can simply browse up and down. I can view the diagrams generated by ArthurAI. I can zoom in or zoom out as needed to better see it. I simply click Continue, and I'm able to move on with the course and progress further. If I'm stuck for any reason, perhaps I don't understand the content, or I want something to be explained to me in a clearer fashion, I can simply press this button here. Here, I have access to the ArthurAI chatbot. I can ask it simple questions, such as, how does CS impact my life? And I just hit Enter, and ArthurAI will respond with a nice message. I can make it bigger if I need, or shrink it, and close it when I'm done. If I have a particular question about anything I'm viewing within the lesson, I can simply highlight it, and a pop-up appears that allows me to ask ArthurAI about this directly. If I want to clear the chat history, I can simply clear it, and I now have a more focused view of the chatbot. If I want to access ArthurAI directly without needing to be in a lesson, I simply click the tutor page, the ArthurAI page, and I can ask ArthurAI anything. Can you explain the main principles of CS? After just a few brief moments, I am given a personalized response by ArthurAI about any question I ask. It can range from computer science to history to just about any other question that I have. If I want to focus the chat interface, I can click Focus Here, which gives me a better view without anything distracting me. If I need to, I can reset the conversation and be greeted with a blank slate. To resume back, I can simply unfocus, and now I can have access to the rest of the sidebar. Here is a student profile page where I can see my student profile, my preferences, any courses that I have completed, the certificates, and more importantly, I can view my cognitive profile. By simply clicking this button, I'm given a comprehensive overview of my learning profile through the various cognitive dimensions, my strengths, my recommended strategies for learning, and my insights into adaptability. This learning profile is the hub of the ArthurAI software. Every single interaction you have with the course content is molded according to this learning profile here. This is what ArthurAI knows about you, the student, about how you learn, what you want to learn, and how you prefer to learn it. Finally, I have my settings page for the students. I can adjust my text-to-speech settings. I can adjust the appearance if needed. I can make some security adjustments and adjust my notifications. Well, that's a wrap for the student dashboard. As promised, easy peasy. I told you it wasn't a big deal.